Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into something that might seem small, but is absolutely crucial for anyone relying on their label printer. The NGDOLAOV 24V5 power adapter. This isn't just any power brick. It's specifically designed to keep your label printer running smoothly and efficiently. Many of us have been there. You misplace your original adapter, or it finally gives up the ghost after years of faithful service. That's where a reliable replacement like this NGDOLAOV unit comes into play. What immediately stands out are its precise specifications. We're talking about a 24-volt, 5-amp output, which is a significant amount of power, ensuring your label printer gets exactly what it needs to perform at its best. This isn't a generic, underpowered adapter. It's built for the demands of a dedicated label printing machine. The connector type is also incredibly important, and this adapter features a big head 6.3 by 3 mm plug. This specific size is vital for compatibility with many popular label printer models, so it's crucial to double-check your device's requirements. The brand NGDOLAOV has clearly focused on delivering a product that meets these exact needs, rather than a one-size-fits-all solution that might compromise performance. Input-wise, it's designed for standard 110-volt outlets, making it perfect for use in most homes and offices without needing any special converters. The build quality feels robust, suggesting it's made to withstand daily use, which is exactly what you want from a power supply. A stable and consistent power flow is paramount for label printers, as fluctuations can lead to inconsistent print quality or even damage over time. This adapter aims to provide that steady stream of power, helping to extend the life of your printer and ensure every label comes out crisp and clear. While the product listing mentions Bluetooth and Lightning connectivity, it's important to remember that this is a power adapter. Its job is purely to deliver power, not to connect wirelessly or via a Lightning port. Those details likely refer to features of the label printer itself, which this adapter is designed to power. The focus here is on reliable, consistent electrical supply. For anyone needing a dependable replacement or a spare power adapter for their 24V5 label printer with that specific 6.3x30 big head connector, this NGDOLAOV offering appears to be a solid choice. It's a practical, no-nonsense solution that gets the job done, ensuring your label printing workflow remains uninterrupted. It's a testament to how even the most utilitarian accessories can make a big difference in our daily productivity.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.